For this problem, we're going to be using the formula that I've written down here. This is the compound interest formula, and we're going to invest $10,000 at a rate of 8%, and we're looking for the balance in the account after 5 years, subject to quarterly compounding. So in this formula, the A is the amount that we have after a certain amount of time. P is the principal, or the original amount invested. R is the annual interest rate, written as a decimal. The N is the number of times the interest is compounded per year. And then the T is the time in years. So quarterly compounding would indicate that it's compounded 4 times per year. So the N is 4. We're asked to find the balance after 5 years, so that 5, that's the T, it's the number of years. And the $10,000 that's originally invested, that's our principal. And it's invested at 8%, so that's our rate, written as a decimal, is 0.08. So we're just going to go ahead and plug those values into the appropriate places, and that'll show us what our amount A is. So we have 10,000 times 1 plus 0.08 over 4 to the 4 times 5. So now at this point we just need to make sure we're following the order of operations. So we want to do it in the parentheses first. Within those parentheses we need to do the division first, and then add the 1. Next up would be exponent. In this case we'd multiply that out first, so our exponent is 20. So do that 20th power, and then finally multiply by the 10,000. So just to write a couple more steps in here, do what's inside the parentheses first, and that gives you 1.02. Go ahead and multiply your exponents. 4 times 5 is 20. So again, up next would be your exponent, so make sure you do the 1.02 to the 20th power and then times 10,000. And since we're dealing with money, we're going to round to the nearest cent. So you need to look out to that third decimal place to figure out how that affects the second decimal place. So that comes out to $14,859.47.